Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, it is I, Karen Denine. I am back with another video. And in today's video, I am participating in the Fall Kitchen Vignette 2019 challenge. This challenge is being hosted by Denise from This and That with Denise Jordan. Now, Denise has asked us to include something portable, which means we must use a tray of some sort. Also, we needed to include something floral, fall decor, and something with words on it. So, let's have a look at my vignette. For my vignette, I'm using this faux wood tray that I purchased from Ross. I'm setting up my vignette on my buffet located in my kitchen nook area. For my floral, I used eucalyptus, a pumpkin stem made of twigs, and a variety of stems that I purchased from Dollar Tree. I've arranged those flowers in this beautiful glass vase that I purchased from the Salvation Army. I also decided to use different picks along with berries and different flowers and pine cones in my tray, as well as pumpkins of different colors. I used beige pumpkins and gourds along with the sunflower and that cute velvet pumpkin that I purchased from Dollar Tree. I also added this brown metal house that I purchased last year from Walmart. And to finish off my vignette, I added this cute sign that I purchased from Dollar Tree, which says, "Friends Gather Here." So here's the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I also like to take this time to thank Denise for hosting this challenge. Make sure you go and check out the other participants. Also, if you are not subscribed to my channel, honey, then what are you waiting on? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you'll know the next time that I upload a video. So until next time, guys, bye-bye.